Thanks for joining. Let's make our creamy tomato bisque soup. We're going to melt that down. Next, we're going to dump our onion and celery in, and we're going to cook that until they turn translucent. Okay, next we're going to make our roux by adding a cup of flour to our butter. And we are going to start to let that cook, and we're going to mix that together. And we're going to let that go for about 5 minutes until the flour smell kind of goes away. And you don't want to cook this until your roux turns dark. Next, we're going to dump our chicken broth inside of our roux, or into our roux. Next, we're going to add in our chopped tomatoes. And we're going to add our seasoning, and we're going to simmer this for about 20 minutes. Next, we're going to do the fun part. We're going to take our immersion blender and we're going to blend this up. Next, we're going to dump this through the strainer to get the solids out. Next, we're going to add in our heavy whipping cream. Blend that together. Next, we're going to add in our shredded cheddar cheese.